How to remove music player widget from the iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone's home screen. Swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. Here, you can see that the music is paused. Now, from the bottom edge of the screen, swipe up and pause in the middle of the screen to open the app switcher. Here, you can view all your recently used applications. Swipe up on the preview card of the music card, such as Spotify, to close an app. Now, again, swipe down to open the notification center. Here, you can see that the music player widget is gone from your lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily remove the music player widget from an iPhone's lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.